If you saw my video yesterday, you saw that I am back to restoring my vintage wedding dresses. This unique beauty is mostly dealing with some heavy staining and discoloration throughout, but I think it's going to be something really special in the end. Many of you have shared your delight in the size of this new bathtub that I'm using, and I can't tell you how happy I am that I have access to this now. I'm starting out the first wash with a little bit of Nellie's laundry soda with some warm water. I tend to start with this product because I feel like it's pretty neutral and it helps lift a lot of general stainings and grease. It's been so long since I got to do this process. After making sure it was gently settled into the water, I like to let it sit for a moment so the product can really penetrate the fabric and start to do its work. But then it's on to the exorbitant amount of hand scrubbing after this. A really big thing to keep in mind here is that you do not want to agitate the fabric too much. So oftentimes it might just look like I'm pushing and pulling the water through the garment, but look at the water now. It's a really effective method that leaves with the least amount of agitation for any fabric I might be washing with. And again, as you can see, it's pretty effective. At this point, I can see the water is pretty much done here. It's pretty gross, so I'm going to go ahead and drain it and move on to the next product. Of course, in between this, I rinse to make sure that I get a lot of the older product out, and now I'm going to go ahead and fill it again with some warm water. The first wash got a lot out, so now I'm going to use OxiClean White Revive, where this is going to end up soaking. After some more hand washing, just to make sure everything's nice and saturated, I go ahead and get it prepared to sit in the tub for about 2 hours. And now I'll come in about every 20 minutes or so, agitate the water, make sure that everything is staying nice and saturated, and then I will go ahead, drain the tub again, and rinse it. Once the gown is fully rinsed, I will drip dry for a little bit in the house, and that's when I get to take it outside and let it sit in the sun and the breeze. These first few washes seemed to make a really big difference, and I think I might only have to do some spot touch-up after this. Make sure to follow along to see more updates on this gown as I continue working to do my best to restore it. Thanks for watching!